Hey, what up, guys? It's Mr. Hectic on your screen, and we are here, Sonda Session, first episode, and I'm here with.
Say Braz, ngiko breezy la we. Hlele pula yama hapa.
Zooks_SK.
Thank you, guys, and we are here on our first episode. How do you feel about the first episode, guys?
Yeah, I'm excited.
I am very excited, you know.
I'll
Pretty nervous a little bit. It's
So-
the first time doing this.
Bro, it's the first time.
Dala sithi soshuta siyashuta yena namhlanje Braz.
Lads, it's a long anticipated
Theo Riggin
podcast.
was gonna say.
Yabo Braz kan subscribe.
Subscribe if you too.
Subscribe
Like,
button Braz.
comment, share to your friends, and help us grow and be like a big family.
We would love your support, guys. So, guys, do you think you will fit properly in this industry?
Or we're gonna force ourselves here.
We're gonna force ourselves
force
in.
it.
I love the energy, guys. I love the
It is what it
energy.
is.
Obvious boy. Asinayo i-choice.
We have to fit in, you know.
Mali le baphithi kahle.
It's YouTube money, guys.
So I go especially I think
It's
man.
YouTube money, guys. You have to lock in. It's YouTube money, you know. So there are a lot of topics to talk about, guys. So we're just gonna sub ourselves in the topics you will see along the way. So, guys, a lot of it trending on social media, guys.
Yeah, it's been going crazy lately.
Like, what's your take on like social media versus the real world? Like the
So to me, like social media is actually like not a real place. I don't take it too seriously. I just go in there to joke and laugh. That's it.
Hey, siyafana boy. Yazi manje fake.
I don't check anything that happens.
Fake la we.
I mean, like social media is a fake place. I
Bro.
mean, so
If you know me from social media and ungandazi real life guy.
I mean, like that's
Yeah, we
social
believe
media,
it,
of
man.
course.
Okay, so you
Because
can say like you're a different person on social media than you are in real
Very
life.
different.
everyone's like that. I mean, everyone's like that. I mean, those
To an
Instagram.
extent, some are more extreme, some are like
Yeah, depends on the person
Mina
because
ngibonile ukuthi abantu abaphili kahle emakhaya. Ngiyabazi abantu ku social media, ngiyabazi abantu in real life.
Bonita.
Ngibheke le tsebe ngithi uyahlanya lo. Yenza kanjani into nje? Baphethu ngeke. Anisho ngempela social media yini esiyenzayo? Yini esiyenzayo ngoportray ama lives that we don't do.
I mean, people be portraying life that they don't live in real life, bro. I mean,
Ngempela especially amacheri.
Yo, very- Oh, but
Show
saying
some of fake
it-
lifestyle.
life fake. I mean, they fake this shit, bro.
That's it.
Allegedly wakhona umusis ngidey.
Allegedly. Umusis, okay.
Let's say this.
Okay.
What did she do?
Hey boy, yabo ungabona ama-post akhe ku-Facebook naku-IG.
You think she's living the life, boy?
Crazy.
But she was there asking Steve around,
La muntu uyawazi mhlawumbe
Tail hopping.
table hopping, my guy. I mean, like,
la muntu uyawazi ukushutha bethu eme kwamabhima kwama-G-class
my BNBs and
yabo la muntu
What is the
ongamazi
wallpaper yakho, boy?
la muntu ongamazi la muntu ongamazi watshontsha impilo empilo kanti uma umazi bafana bakho
Child.
kodwa-ke real dog yabo le chat yamathekini angazi
But don't you feel like namajita khona inzalo?
I mean, yeah, some joints.
Ngibona amajita ayaforsa yabo azama ngamandla wonke mfethu ayaforsa amajita ukuthi hayi le mpilo le ngizoyiphila ngenkani noma ngathiwani ngizoyiphila
Guys, it's fake it till you make it. Come on, cheat.
amajita mfethu
I'm saying they fake it while they living it, bro. Like, it's crazy.
Like how?
Huh?
dog amajita
Xa machelo, what I've realized with afuna uphila lifestyle imali yabanye abantu.
Yeah,
Abantu
that's-
abayisebenzele.
That's the thing about Amategi.
That's my only problem I'd say with that.
amajita phela ayakhona ukuthi imali itholakala emadodeni hayi emsebenzini nifuna imali hamba nosebenza mfethu asinamali thina sibonelana
Navuke khangela itoho aspan abe grand.
Yes, they are full kusebenza.
Ancingi umuntu.
Bafuna indoda must phela ngithi.
ngithi.
Indoda must take le. What's your take on lokho nje? Amategi lawo athi indoda must.
hayi baba phela icacile ukuthi ubaba wakho
But I know what
Your father was never.
Ile indoda masi right as long as ngayiyo ya.
real boy real
I continue para.
I approve
Very grand.
Lads, guys, I'm saying, bro. That's
What do you mean? If you're going to sponsor sakho.
like I should provide for you. Why your dad didn't provide for you?
Benza usho bangishadile ke.
ifana nalaba mfethu khona abantu abayiposta ku Facebook ethi bahalela ama-bless abafuna ama-hug kuphela ubaba wakho lo bless uzokuhaga kuphela ubaba wakho kuphela ngeke mfethu ufuna i-bless uzokuhaga phela mfethu ezumjida sinemqondo eyi-1 so
Bro, lads, I'm actually mindset say why.
wena sebenzisa le nje inseta wena uyakhipha injalo nje kuphela
Plus, hey, that's what it is. Like, manje.
Njalo nje kuphela because bethi ngeke bathi amathini adlala.
But essentially, that's what game is, dog. I'm a cherry game. Game I'm a cherry is like they try to make you spend the most money without having to smash.
Hey boy.
And I'm actually trying to spend least money.
Awesike thina lento siyayibuka ngithi futhi amajida mfethu ayacabanga noma kwenzekani. Because bese siyayibuka nesibona ukuthi umjida mhlawumbe spendele 50 or 60k eclubini yazo. Spend thengele ichiri. Vele ufika umjida wayo out of the blue hambe kanjalo.
Yeah, fit.
I mean,
Who's the most about best play? Fuck boys collect.
like the fuck boys connect, man. Like it doesn't matter. Rest lifestyle is fake, bro. Yeah, where rest lifestyle? You'll swear.
Iyakhuluma indaba yerest.
I want to take it as a rest, bro.
Yabona lento kuthiwa lento okukhulunywa ngayo uma kuthiwa amachiri awuna chiri rest. Awunayo ngempela.
Fit. Chiraka question now.
Actually, now bright.
I've witnessed something. Yabona bethu in the la 2023 hlale rest. Umjida wami wayeshaya ichiri umjida.
Really, I show face to the one who smashes without paying. He won. He won,
It's
bro.
in their code. Ghost it's in their code the ATE Oyosil.
Ay, você disse o chave. Você disse o chave. Você
Ngiyakutshela no kodwa phela awu witness things rest.
Yeah, too much.
That's the craziest amount we spend on a woman.
Mina personally yeah 800.
Damn.
Like
What the hell?
Once.
I mean, like overall.
Like in a date or something.
No, overall.
Like how?
Overall, nggak should date.
Yeah, we dating
Oh,
much.
should add
Yeah.
Yeah, what did they
How dates boys ahamba.
800 boy.
Restaurants are
Yo.
Relax on, yo. Give some babies. Hey, bro, relax on. Sure.
boys spend 800 spend.
Nani yake plan?
Unblockade mamsumo.
What the hell?
There's no formula, boy.
Kwangathi uyavenda
Hey, but I want to shoot you.
Let it out.
You might block straight after, but after some time.
After many months.
Ngiyayidakela.
Like dagera photo.
Konto ayifuna kumina mthethe wena ayahlanya ke
Ufuna
hayi akazi wenzekani phela ngisahlukana mbalo yabo manje but ilonto ukuthi yabo yenze from time to time bekhona i-operation ibakho
La manzi akamakhona ephinda kamefoni.
futhi manje ubusy yabo angizi nami ngibusy ngapha nayo busy futhi manje ubusy abhaqo bafu leso ubhaqa le convo usecela mina ukuthi ngigoqe othi kumina angigoqe ngithi ngimsendele isithombe sekeke ngesikhathi esithini ngathi
Usendele bani?
it was a birthday on the day.
Oh, okay.
Yabo.
Okay.
Uthi ngimsendele isithombe ngithi mina ngobani uthi hawu umjida kathini ngithi umjida onjani lokudla thina Sundays day ungakuthini
Insecure ibrasa.
uthi ngiyacela ngithi hayi isikhokho anginawo amandla wenza leyo nto mina linde
If
umjida
mawuthi she wanted something from you. Wayifuna
no ngishilo nje ukuthi bethu i-cake yabo
Cake.
a real cake, not the
Yeah,
cake.
cake. No cake. Mine is the gas.
No, I mean like phela yini engayifuni ngitheke please. I mean,
We can eat those actually cake when.
nah.
ndine-cake mna braqa njungile
I never know, bro. Nigga, these days take it from chocolate box, boy. They take it from chocolate box.
Wait.
Straight to chocolate
I won't lie. Drop names.
Like who?
I don't wanna be sued, guys.
Wait. Location.
Location Sun Coast.
On the box.
Coast location. I would say no.
Cool Coast dog.
Kulga, good yeah. I mean like from Shepstein though. You know, 039.
Sure.
Where we at, bro?
As
Nalapha.
arcades.
Comes away.
Comes away.
It's a question, yes or no?
Comes away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, say comes.
That's
Something like that, bro. I mean,
comes
Kamalake, bro.
Allocation.
It comes up, bro. It logish compare that now. It has bad bitches and bad niggas, midnight.
Now that's personal. Yeah, God damn it.
Allegedly, guys. Allegedly.
That's what you were saying about Kamalake.
Kamalake, boy. There are some things there, boy.
Crazy things
How
happen.
logish teliyawezwe ilogish ngempela bakuthiwa
Tell
ilogish
Ayikho into engekhoyo.
incane ngempela kodwa alikho incane masohlala khona hey cool le ndawo but it's diverse and shit hey
Different flavors.
nebaba from midnight to 6 to 6
Allegedly.
allegedly
futhi laphana kuthiwa khona ingane zakhona mfana azibhebi kanje azibhebi
I got to speak emachisini
Emafela sibarenkeni ke i-location based on bufebe bayo.
okay from Sheffield
Curious ngale Shadis.
okay on my take
Hey,
yabona
uyabona Boboy no from Shepstein uyale ku Boboy Matchison kanje top 5 le ngiyantshela
top 1 baba it's rank number 1
Ile ngakubonile.
boy yabo mozosuke Shepstein ungeze ngapha oyuvo ngomarket yabo uzothi Shepstein mhlawumbe Matchison Boboy hayi boy dangerous lapha dangerous
very dangerous
futhi ke iBoboy ehleli ikhala ngayo iBoboy bafana ngeke them Boboy
They have got a lot of things about Ipopo.
them Boboy ngeke boy Boboy zakhe
Much is but it comes you have heard a lot of things about Kamalake.
yo bye Kamalake
Bayabula bakuyashuka. Khona umuntu umuntu.
now I've heard some stories ngawe balo akhethe Kamalake
Bekwenzekalani Kamalake? Kana story. Manje siva nje.
awusilandise ke boy wathini Kamalake balo akhethe Kamalake
I won't mention names.
Don't mention
Okay, I'll talk the talk.
talk my guy
Intenze yaphela. Yabo lengane le ingane efunda lapha esikole. Yeah.
damn great
Efunda
one
esikole. No, that's grade 10. You're in grade 8. Yeah, grade 8.
interesting
Futhi at that time boy bena ngayinakanga so sathi sisiphume esikole thina. I think it was 2021 siphume esikole. I think it was 2022.
yeah
2022 yeah.
School there.
sakhuluma hayi yabo sajola lapho ayikwayiona but mina ngiyayibona lento ukuthi ekuse hayi this thing
Something's up.
ayindawo shameze yabo because I believe mina ngikhuluma naye ukuthi bese komuntu engijwana I believe ukuthi every day kumele sikhulume
every day I can't talk every day
No, like every day, but not all day.
not all day but every day yabo.
Jay, like,
okay yeah not all day but like
Yeah kumele sikhulume
Every day,
but I mean I'm not that type of person who like enjoys talking
Plus,
every
if
day.
venga tatiwa kodwa veta not all day, but every day imashila veta. Njengoba khuluma every day.
vese ngakhuluma naye yabo ekuseni and stuff yabo ibuze how was the day and shit ekuseni then emini ke I get busy emini
Yeah,
from my
man.
point I get busy
There's a palate here. Pin umkhulumisi.
I think it also depends on see how the relationship is, because if like you really like the person, you should be able to speak to that person. all
See,
day,
my
every
challenge is
day.
why you in a relationship with someone you don't like.
It happens, but like we guys, we just date. Sometimes we just
I mean-
fuck.
okay
Not too
yeah
much,
I understand
really.
him I mean we guys you know you could get into a relationship not knowing how that person is
Yeah,
you know.
okay, I get
you
that.
could find out later on in the relationship good now this
So
person
she
is not the person I thought she was
Why don't you
you know?
cut?
Yeah, exactly
big up on that
so
Cut off.
basically as
exactly the story ngikhuluma ngazo I thought the same thing about
you
that
realize
person,
along the way
boy.
kahle
What did you
kahle
realize?
So as I was saying yabo hayi ngikhulume nomngani wakhe kahle impethu asamenze shele yabo siyoblomana athi
Double
vele
date?
nathi no wathi vele nathi plan ukuyeshila
I hate that William
no bebehamba beyizikwadi
Yo,
wona mina
since
ngikhulume
One man.
no
Sakho.
listen mina bengikhulume nalona ukuthi
Face
kuseni
boy.
bengikhulume nalona ukuthi
Men's conference and
Champions League
Ngikhulume nalona
Isho
ukuthi
kezonifilers la ora farmer hard.
awuqhubeke boy
okay I arrived shele yabo
So,
mangifike shele I call ngithi phethe ngike bathi abaserooftop asiyo rooftop Futhi kukhulunywa indaba ende nje into engapheli lokuthola yabo.
Singaphi the squad 5 6 3 4
Bayazazi bona yabo mina sengibona umention bayazazi.
Say to mention names. So yeah, what happened?
na bese ngisho squad number yazo like 4 5 is number
Yeah. Yabo. Mangifika she angikhuluma ngengane. Hayi manje nto yabo manje. Ngifuna ukumdonsa ukuthi hayi ukuthi asinamarale shiyaba. Yabo. Bese kufika ezinye ingqondo engizaziyo.
Yeah.
Nakhona ngiqala ukuzwana nazo. Because 2020 ngiqala ukuzwana nazo. Lento yenze 2020 or 2021. Between lapho. Shuthi ke lo mjida ke manje ngoba sengiyamazi shuthi yazi kwenzekeni.
Yeah.
Hayi phela ukhulume naye ngane ngibone sebamba ko2. Hey boy.
Nzemon.
bahamba bo2
Bahambe bo2 boy.
banyamalala
Mina
Wakishela squad
Ima
side.
banyamalala bo2
bahambe
The lift,
bo2
boy.
boy. Yazo.
wena afuna ngihamba nawe uthi manyamalala
Baba.
You have been joined us serious at the time.
disgrace
No. Still talking stuff shit. Talking stuff shit.
Yo.
Yabo.
acheri
Siyeke mpethu yabo manje. Yeah manje mfethu umngane wakhe lo bengikhuluma naye. Futhi nabring
What you wanna
nyama.
say?
somnyama
sikhona isinye story yazi engasizwa about you nentombazane yasegama lakhe. She wasn't a shady, but it was a park.
Oh yes. That's what I wanted to hear.
ephaki
I think you had a meetup nentombi yakho. A park.
Amani bra.
And then when you got a park.
zingaphi lezitori bra
No, listen.
Story siyiwa.
When you got a park.
Okay, let him cook. Okay, let him cook.
Hey,
Cook.
when you got a park, you found icherry yakho chilling along the cheek. Icherry was sitting on top of
No,
the
yabona yabo uzusho it wasn't.
I couldn't even drop names, man. I'm not afraid.
It wasn't a park.
relax somnyama relax somnyama
It
relax.
wasn't a
Okay,
park.
okay.
It wasn't a park. Yabo story is short.
Yeah.
The story siyiwa na lezokhuluma. It wasn't a park. It's a shit.
But like, this thing is show you, like, we were still in high school, I think.
Yeah,
Anje sashoyo
I think ngisho
high school.
angingasho ukuthi it was 2020 or 2021.
Okay.
But it wasn't a park. It's a shit. Lende angazi nokuthi ubani ofeed information engekho. It's a shit.
accusation
Yabo, it's a
False
shit.
accusation.
false accusation
Uyaqhubeka boy bahamba.
Yamsola mangcobo. But ke asikho lapho.
Ngoba
Yabona ke bethu futhi ke mina vele nginyamalale nami.
Exactly.
Give it day. Godu wena ngempela. Ingane yangifonela. Hayi yona umngane wakhe. Uthi ukephi?
Yabo.
Ngicanga mashini. Uzohambele. Ngicana ubone ukuthi kwenzekile.
Exactly.
Uthi mina ngamthembanga umngane wami uthi akayenze le nto le.
oh
Ngithi oh. Oh.
So this one year we go shoot.
akusho into ya
So what in here?
Ngathi mpethu. Nginenkinga nawe.
Exactly.
But siyacina namhlanje ukuthi sikhulumisane.
I'm talking about umngane lo show.
Ngitshela yena leyo nto nje ukuthi angisafuna ukukhuluma naye, angifuni ukukhuluma nalo.
I'm block on that day
Bonke.
Bonke boy.
block on straight
Bonke boy.
just no one ungayifuna igama lakhe ngiyabona yethi hayi
Ufuna bami.
Ah.
Take new chance ba right, la ba wrong okugcina.
Nazira, yabo the one with innocent faces.
Siswam, if you're watching this,
siswami if you watch
I apologize.
Yabo.
But I'm speaking facts.
you apologize why are you apologizing
Into ayenzi.
why are you
I'm fully
apologizing
sorry.
because you're stating facts you're not talking bad about someone
Angifuni ukuthi kuthiwa ngikhuluma kahle.
Say. Okay. Yeah, what do you want to say?
Kapsel
no, bro, please not the type understand that.
understand that bra
Hey, no
I
way.
will understand bra
It's crazy.
anyway I got to see some block on the same day bengafuna explanation
Look at kingdom, man.
bengafuna explanation mina boy explanation yani like why explaining to me lento yenzile ngithi mina sinyamalale sishiya abangani bakho awufoni fika umjita ethi nyamalalana uyavuma
Phambi kwami.
Phambi kwami? Yo, you were
I was looking at them like, Mthwalo,
Yo, boy,
serious.
or a depth,
Are you
boy.
punch
Manje,
air,
boy.
boy?
Oh,
Alright.
get the badge.
Fuck.
Saying part of the crew,
Shit.
namsengiplomile nalabantu, angibazi labantu ngihleli nami. Umuntu engizekuyena uhambe.
God.
Wait. I was so hard, boy. Hey, what I mean, man, if it was me, I was gonna go for her friends, but I'm Yatla.
Same boy, you must cook.
Hayi, kuthi bashayisa isquad la.
Jana basha is squad.
Yini yena yedwa ishisa yini?
Hayi boy, yena yona ishisa la. There's a squad.
Average.
Yeah, she is alright, boy. Yabo yena.
Out of 10, how would
I'd
you
give her a
rate her?
7 out of 10.
7.
7.
After a 6.
That's not
That's
bad.
crazy.
Squad sakhe. Squad sakhe. I'd give him 10, boy.
Boy, kuthonga shit.
10.
Yo, yabona into ngisho
Ngothomi nje
manje
into.
Babonile nje nabo.
Operation Dudula baba. Baba.
Showcase code interested was a squad. Squad of 5 girls.
Ngathi kwenze date kanje. Okusho yena kahle kahle. Kapsela
Yeah,
yeke
Kapsela.
say. Ayabona.
Okay, never mind. Yeah, you were saying.
This is going to be something. Cut.
And
action. Action.
3 2 1.
Msasho boy, yabo laba bantu. Plus le squad siyaziwa manje igama lakhe yonke. Nala markets bayaziwa.
Mazwanga.
Yini team up
Sorry,
yini?
obani mfethu.
Ithi up
Ngizona-
yini?
Ngizonshanga into eyi-1.
Yeah, him.
Mangithe babamba uthi obani.
Tea up.
Yes, that's what I mean when he says tee up.
Elaborate.
Don't get.
Oh yeah.
No cut. Hey.
I think don't
Sip shoes.
Hey.
allegedly.
Hayi angisho lutho mina yini uthi up vela ngiyazi.
Don't blocker, boy.
Uthanda sawazi.
Hayi uthi
Yeah,
up.
yeah. Don't blocker, boy.
Oh, you
So
So what do you feel
You
like
think
by the
it-
chat, I'm actually Rafigati, when a guy blocks a girl, it's feminine. Like it's
Futhi
sassy.
ndisiso ndiyiyo lo nto nithi
It's feminine.
Feminist boy.
allegedly kuthiwa ndiyiyo mama.
Apparently.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa boy. Whoa, take gama lakhe tea up. Are you talking about Jay?
Like
down. Like down.
Yeah, boy, I was talking about her.
Oh, hey. Nachola. Friend you. I was nenye boy. I was nenye.
How long?
Enough about me, bros.
Enough about you,
Enough
babe.
about you.
Enough about you. The Mayako boy is tragic.
Wait, just come let's rank up with him in a ranking then.
Oh, like township
On the
and stuff.
level of fornication.
The South Coast
Mhm.
from Shefton to
Shifting,
The
yo.
entire side coast, not
the
just
entire,
50%.
yeah, the entire South Coast called Scotbeck. So Tina's Palette from Shefton. I was it called Shefton. Now, but I'm saying yeah, the South Coast called Scotbeck and stuff. So let's say ranking them from Shefton to Greek. Yeah, it's nice. Nzimako.
It's
Nzimako.
Nzimako.
Yeah, it's Nzimako. Yeah, so from nah, put it what are you?
Somehow, yeah, yikho ngokomthetho, but somehow.
Somehow, somewhere there.
Allegedly kuthiwa kanzima-ke yo damn ziyakhala ngekheli. Allegedly kuyadliswana.
Allegedly.
Wizard level.
Allegedly.
Bra ungathini umjida wakho masedlisiwe ungenzani lapho like yabo uthi udlisiwe umjida but he's into
Uzomyeka mina.
Asabzo inyama, boy.
Bringing some stuff.
inyama and shit. Inyama ushanyama engwenya we.
Yeah.
Angeke ngitshele mina boy ngathi boy sazi inyama nje straight
Ungasalungiseka hayi ngihlamba izandla.
shanyama engwenya.
Kodwa yithini wena udliswa nje?
Yo ayikudlisa bro. Hayi ngayiqala ngaphi leyo nto leyo.
Avula ungazibona mawudlisiwe.
Ngeke uzibone that's the thing awuziboni mawudlisiwe yabo mawudlisiwe awuziboni ncane.
Floppy lapho nje.
Yabo mawuxelela ukuthi udlisiwe wena in denial.
Wena lento ba
You are in denial. I'm in love. I found my soulmate.
La uphe uphizo lapho. Yapheka boy.
You're not the only one, Kawak.
She's
You're not the
good.
only one. Yeah. You're not the only
Wesima
one.
sakhe boy.
Kawak,
Khawule xa inkukhu xela kuyi. Yeah, sure, my boy.
Skala kuwe baba.
You are the fool,
Kala
boy.
kuwe,
You
nah,
good,
nah,
I take away.
Nah.
Uthixo ngami boy.
Indaba yokulizwa yo Nkosi yami.
But like, I was kidding mostly, you know.
Ile-
Yeah, uthixo ngavumi ngami.
No, like, it depends. But
Ezikhabaza
like,
zase-
if like ingane izifuna ungidlisa, shuthi yabo.
Plus ngafaka
Mhlawumbe uyangithanda
effort.
lowo muntu.
I
Uyabona
get
usikhokhela
it. Effort
kancane.
ihamba ne-desperation somehow.
But she's desperate for my love.
Ay. Ngiyala.
Kama nje no show ke intentions zakhe. What's it called ayifunayo?
Like what?
Besides love.
Like what? Anamali ngithi. I'm broke.
What I'm saying, no, let's speak about the fact now. Ukuthi mfethu kumjolo manje imali yadingeka.
Yeah, it's
Mnyango.
No one thing with it.
Iyadingeka. Asekho high school bras.
Mashila Brazil.
Asekho high school bras. Amachele manje aseshangana ngqondo ukuthi imali over everything. Boy, what's your opinion, bro?
You feel like abekho you feel like abekho amachele that take for love right now.
Awekho.
Akho.
Nami ndiyabheka. Akhona bethu khabazela.
Akho.
So-
Trust me, akho boy. And you were saying Kabaza?
So I was saying, how do you all feel about these girls?
I mean, like, if she's above 20, bruh, she's deeper. She's an adult.
So if a girl is 16 years old and I'm
Yo.
like 22,
Child.
Na yabona yaqala lapho.
For me, I'm not saying that.
so if a girl is 21 years old and a guy is 48 years old,
That's crazy naleyo bethu.
But I mean, I'm saying like they both adults.
It's not
they both
crazy,
consent,
bro.
because
But it's not crazy.
It's not.
Hey,
They both
Boy,
adults.
what the-
So wait,
No.
so you're saying when you imagine now 20 what you'd go for 12 years since
It's not the same.
it is the same.
That's a child.
It's a child.
Wait,
Okay,
wait.
I said at
if you are
21.
16 years old, legally ungenza noma yini. If you
Yeah,
can
no,
sign
listen,
any- no, not
listen.
ungena.
Allegedly,
You can sign
kuthiwa
anything.
yini? Allegedly, kuthiwa
Yeah.
age of consent.
Yeah.
Kuthiwa age of consent to 16, but
Yeah.
not to people, not to people who are over the age of
Wow,
21.
Age of consent for.
Out of no,
What if the lawyer of estate Umzali is like 35 and wena izingane
no, kodwa phethu ngeke phela.
so you can't deal with it.
No, listen, you're an adult once you turn 21. No, not even 21, 18, usumdala.
Yeah.
Uyazicabangela uyazenza into zakho.
Yeah.
Ngeke sakuthina next thing.
So you're saying the government is wrong for putting any law age is 16?
wrong.
Very wrong. 16 is crazy, bro.
But like, you
The
know,
law.
So what age do you recommend?
18.
Constitutional age, okay.
18. Also 18 and above. Almost 18, bro. Above 18, okay, that's when I would understand. But naleyo ukuthi umjito na take na 21 will go for it. Take it in
Man, okay, boy. Ngiyayizwa ngisho. Wena manje.
Faith is
Wena manje.
21.
Ushuka mama no 40 something. Kimi ukuthi uzonima uzone yonke into. Yakumyela.
Ngabiyeka.
You never clean.
Yabona.
You're gonna
I
clean.
mean, it's wrong.
but like you can't
But like, you can't.
you can't compare mindset umntwana 21 umntwana 16.
Exactly.
Even though
Exactly.
age gap.
Exactly. You
Yeah,
can't
but
compare.
umntwana 16 usemncane. Even
But
wakhuluma naye.
legally akekho mncane.
No. What do you
You
mean?
cannot sign a contract but still mncane. Abengeke bavuma.
You can sign a contract
It's not
on 12 years actually. You can find something.
Not bonk.
Not bonke. What do you mean not
What do you
bonke,
mean?
How
bro?
come you
Like-
talk about?
Ghost khabazela ngathi wena udinga ijele.
Ngathi namafazi.
No. Hey.
Hey, hey.
Nizenenye. Another one.
Right?
21 I bro gang.
Me, I'm saying
No,
you can't compare.
no, dog. Don't compare this to umntwana 16.
Yeah, that's a child.
I mean, man say time yethu bethu. When you are above like lapha ko 30, late 30s, 38 whatsoever, you go for chicken in at 20, 21.
Right. No, me no right.
He right there.
That's
He
chicken
right
wings.
there.
Listen,
He right there.
Chicken
as a guy, what if I want someone younger, fresh? Cause like girls our age, you know what they're doing. A girl who's 21 is fresh.
But
is
like,
fair time.
you
Let me
can't
be
go
fresh.
10 years below you, bro.
Why?
10 years.
If she's legal of age.
Okay, wait.
Legal of age, but still ngeke.
Let's look at abazali bethu.
Hayi.
Nah, she yabona leo doza 80s and shit.
Just
Yabona
because
leyo.
it's
It's the right
back
thing.
then, doesn't
Yes.
mean
The
it's
right thing back then.
Nowadays, because look at what's this grade 9 and amantombazane sasifunda nawo grade 9. You're gone from school beyogroova namaras. So it's in the maras.
Manje busisiqinga ngoba.
Brother K.
No.
Nah.
It's
You need
I'd
cheese.
say it's something like a social norm.
Social norm.
Yeah.
Just because it was a norm back then doesn't mean it should
Doesn't
be
mean it's a norm now. It was wrong back then. Ikinga, it wasn't acknowledged. Now it's acknowledged.
I feel like y'all are wrong.
How?
Yo,
How?
Y'all are wrong.
So are you saying you'd go for a 16-year-old?
Audience, if we're
Right
wrong,
now.
it's cancellation namhlanje.
Right
Cancel.
now, where do you go for 16-year-old?
I would go for a 16-year-old.
yo. So when I
My
Okay.
question is, you know, good man, I'm gonna 16.
Yo, don't take.
I mean like wethu
like watching
umbuzi homework.
Kabazela without any fear of contradiction. Wena into zami ukuthi i-16-year-old into ongayo ashkara into ongayobetha kuyo na.
You would go for a
Yeah,
16-year-old.
yes.
You would
Would.
without
I
any fear of
still
contact.
do.
Without any fear of contradiction.
Who say he still does? Okay,
Yes.
indaba yakho
Legally,
needs
it's
legally it's what?
Allegedly.
What?
Not
Legally,
legally.
it's perfect. It's what-
Perfect. No, my guy.
It's crazy. How
No, look at the gap between abazali bethu.
Yo, we are comparing.
That's the thing.
We are comparing.
Sheka tengisho mina.
The woman was like 20 something and we're about time ago Belinda. They say,
No, it's not that.
been 16.
Bashada beqeda kumithi sign of which abanye bethu sazalwa kwi-teenage what.
We're not like finished.
No, not me.
why-
Abanye bethu.
Why are you comparing?
Okay, so when are you condone teenage pregnancy?
We condone. We condone.
I'm not condoning it.
What
Well,
do you
condone
mean?
it.
Yeah, Uthi.
However,
Okay, however,
it's not a wrong.
Wait.
that's the same thing, but you still condoning it, my guy. Aye, my guy.
Allegedly.
16-year-old.
I won't even lie to you.
Nah, my guy.
The judge-
4 years gap is too much. Above 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, that's too much, my guy. For
So
me,
wait,
I mean, for me,
wait,
for me.
What do we
No.
say about
So,
Isngandis?
let's not make it about age thing. Now it's high school thing.
Ikoki inform.
Just because you're out of high school and it
Yeah,
doesn't mean
It
you
does.
see that.
Eh, baba, waqeda nini matric?
My point
5
is,
years ago, exactly.
My point is abantu ababejula nabantu sasifunda nabo high school.
Yo.
That's the thing. Your mindset
doesn't
is
mean you should do it.
your mindset is based on those.
I feel like y'all niggas are playing.
I
You
feel
make
like
your decisions based on what other people do.
Exactly.
So
okay.
you don't have a
Okay,
full
now
view.
you've answered us.
We are
Wait, now you
condone-
do what
you
other
are
people do,
condoning
my guy.
everything that people did before.
Yeah,
And we live
I'm
with
looking.
You live a different time.
Bro, this
I
is
look
even
up to my forefathers.
What?
So
damn, son.
You
You
don't even see the mistakes and learn from the mistakes. You just repeat them.
where are the mistakes?
I'm a brother.
we are. Speak for yourself, my guy.
Where are the mistakes?
Speak for yourself, my guy.
My brother.
Where are
It's child. Me, my guy, I won't lie to you. I don't agree with your point of view.
I get
This
it, boy.
day and age, it's incorrect, boy. It doesn't apply right now.
Because it was done back then, it doesn't mean it's okay now. It was wrong back then. It's not right right now.
They say no comparison, my daughter. Yeah, it was comparison.
We are in a new time and age.
Come on.
It's not safari at all.
But okay, we
Ubona na dala fit by age 21, our parents had houses and stuff. They were married and all that. Magic safari is not the same.
Siyashizila man.
Shit is
Jambe.
in the dog.
Jambe.
exactly. I mean, back to my topic of like Indota must.
Mhm.
You won't marry a cherry that says Indota must. Exactly. Abona more when you go for like
A while.
below your age,
Yeah.
5 years below your age is crazy.
Me, I'm saying at least like 21. It's about dala.
I agree with you, my
I mean, I
guy.
mean, it's 5
Wait.
years below your age.
wait?
What if
wait?
what if like okay, no, somewhere, wherever. What if we go 21
And
or okay 22?
and
No, 20.
and
Fathers beyond the age. Like 4 years beyond age, still like 100.
That's crazy, Pela.
Beyond
Yeah,
or
yeah, fine,
below?
Pela, now.
When you said 5 years.
I mean,
Beyond or below?
minimum.
Now I'm saying 4 years.
Exactly, 4 years and below. I call it 5 years. That's your average. What's 6 years is crazy, bro.
That's what-
6 years is crazy.
I agree with you, my guy.
6
You're not
years.
hearing me.
What are you saying? Ngiyakuzwa. Mauna 20.
5 years,
Exactly. But
6, 7 years. Oh, it's crazy.
now phela mindset yakho, you won't go for someone who's below your age, like that beyond your age.
That's what I'm saying. Like, let 25 years is not
Right.
correct. Because like, Shambo sitting on 30 a month.
25.
Years,
I was
24.
like, beef, man.
Is that crazy?
That's not crazy.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
But like still, if you're 21, you go for like 17 years
You
old.
say if you're
But
21,
from your
you shouldn't
chat,
go with
yeah.
someone who's in high school.
From
Me,
his
nah.
chat, yeah.
Me, nah, I
yeah.
wouldn't.
21, you shouldn't go with someone who's in high school.
Exactly, you should go for someone who's like
Out of high school.
out of high
At least
school.
18.
Exactly.
But no, dog. People who are 18 are matric right now. So I don't
18,
understand.
17 are in matric right now.
18, boy.
17.
Okay.
No,
It depends on how
depends on the person.
They
But I'm
pass
saying
and
out of
fail.
high school, that's what I'm saying.
exactly. But still, uniform guys,
Okay, but okay.
exactly. Uniform, still dating.
Brother K.
What are you saying, Brother K?
So, thank you very much for the opportunity. So, what I'm saying is, let's say you are 21 years old and it goes like 16 years old.
Hey, boy. Yeah.
Wait.
You know what you say?
4 years later, this is about, maybe let's say,
She's
18.
20.
Yeah, 2018.
At least
Otamendi.
That's what you.
Kevin
it's
De
not the same,
Bruyne.
man.
It is
David
the same.
It's not the
Silva.
same. She doesn't have the same.
Their investments from the
She's
past.
20, she's the same. So you tell me when are you the same person that you were when you were 16?
Investments from the past.
I'm so sorry.
The way you thought.
wait, do you know that women
Yeah,
are
no.
much older than males?
Relax,
Exactly.
relax.
You're supposed
No,
to be
relax.
adventurous.
Relax. So when in your life when you don't change, like don't evolve.
I mean, like, so
As I
you
was
do
saying.
evolve, you read?
So you
see-
can't be the same person that you were 16 years ago, like 4 years ago, 5 years ago.
Exactly.
You change as a person.
You have to
Who
change.
have been-
What if I don't?
You are crazy. That's the
Something
thing.
wrong.
You are
You
mentally
are crazy.
disturbed.
You need help. You need
Because that
help.
change is inevitable.
You need help.
Otamendi. David Silva. Kevin De Bruyne.
The
Aguero.
game is gone. The game
Their
is
investments from the past. Brother K. I hear your chat, but no.
I mean, I don't hear it.
No.
My ears are closed.
But
You
no.
don't hear shit, boy.
I don't.
I can't be justified. Yeah.
It's shy.
Brother K. Ghost. There's a topic I'd like to speak about.
Which one is that one? Which one is that one?
On Saturday, bros, I was here with my guy.
You are chilling as Bruce.
You're watching. You're watching.
Four Bruce. Wait, the 5?
No, there's four. No, there's 4 of us. No, there's 5 of us. Yeah.
No, 4 Bruce. 4
Four pros, man.
Yeah, four. We are watching the game. Orlando Pirates, Stellenbosch. Orlando Pirates won. Aye, this prize.
Calm vibes.
Brother Ghost says he's going somewhere. I was like, aye, sure,
Oh, Chopra.
go. He phones about 30 minutes later. He says he's coming back. I'm like, no, you're still here. You can come. Aye. This guy was lying all this time.
So was lying. There's a truth he hid from us.
Yeah.
Something he didn't tell us.
Yeah. I
But
went.
yes, he was coming back.
I went.
But he didn't say who is
Just who was coming back with?
Exactly.
I went to take the loo. Next thing, I'm like, hey, who are those people coming down there? Wow. I know this person, but let me shut up. Hey. I entered the house and I was like, bruh, let's watch something here. The bros are like, what are we watching? No, relax and watch.
The brass end.
5 minutes later, Bro enters. I enters nicely. You're like, aye. Next thing, I was like, oh.
You see,
You
when
guys
you
are stuck for yourselves.
see, when you said,
I was like,
"Right, let's watch something, let's watch the movie," I thought, well, like maybe it's coming through, bro. I was like, told me nice, Musla.
Niggas
Yeah,
coming
chill.
with the stock.
Here comes in. I'm like, away.
Stock Ben.
A hand comes through. I'm like, away. Who's next? Then they close the door.
Why you closing the door, nigga? Nigga is thinking for himself, baba. Hey, ponyeri, bra.
What's going through?
Si Ponyere FC.
That's the crazy thing. They coming through the wait because it was raining. They go straight to the bedroom. I'm like,
Fix-
hello.
Fix match.
I'm like, you know what?
You
Let me
fix
take my
match.
charger, let me take my phone.
Let
Let
me
me
keep.
Hey, no, the problem is Brother K ish. Brother K.
Go to.
Brother K.
But there's this saying that says,
Because like, brother K is
apologizing and lie.
Go this again.
The thing is, why didn't you say?
Like,
Why didn't you communicate while you coming through with something?
what the gents are fighting for is that when
You didn't tell
you
us.
didn't tell the bras you're coming with someone, not some people,
Something.
not some people. You are.
Now this is
You
a problem.
But like, if niggas say if it was pandela, kuthini bengasiphelanga sesilapha.
Ay baba le, ay baba short announcement baba ngeke. Very short.
I said I'm coming back. 5 minutes.
Exactly. You are coming back.
With
Not,
who?
you are coming
With
back
who?
with a person,
With who?
not people. That's why the gents are fighting. Ukuthi wena uzicabangele wedwa boy.
But like, gang ngizingelela amanye amadoda.
Asho masingelele communication by yo.
Ngikhulumela phezu kwalento yokuthi
Boy,
uziphethele wedwa.
there's one thing we're telling you. We don't mind you came with the cherry here, but the problem is
You didn't
tell
tell.
us. That's the problem.
You just show up unannounced. Surprise, boom.
Manje lesibambe ikhandlela alvorenteli.
Like out of the blue, G.
I was exercising lento ekuthiwa udlezingelayo.
Ufuna wakho yo.
You see, the person is crying right now. With the couple. And this man left here. So now, my question, how was the experience over the night? Like,
Urwabona, there was no experience. Urwabona.
Don't lie to us,
No, when
bro.
you are sleeping in the hotel.
Don't lie.
Don't lie to
Don't
us.
lie.
Quiet.
On a public platform.
No. I want to make sure that you.
Ah.
want to make sure what?
Guys, it's either
Yeah.
the what do you
nigga.
call it?
The nigga or the chick.
No. Buchari.
The nigga or the chick.
So the nigga with the chick. Apparently, alleged.
Alleged, not apparent.
I
Alleged.
didn't hear any crying sounds.
So you
it's
so
either wait.
okay.
It's
Okay.
either.
Let him cook.
The nigga is a tingling. or
2 minutes no
the
do.
nigga didn't do anything.
But there's no
My
way.
guy, I
There's
trust
no way
you.
he cuddled the whole night.
I trust you, my guy.
There's no way he
maybe
cuddled
it's
the
a
whole.
tingling.
My guy, I trust you.
Speak for yourself. Speak for yourself.
But what I know.
My brother, I finna play video voice notes.
Bring the proof. Bring the proof, my guy. Sex tape. Bring the proof, my guy.
Personally.
From today, read out loud.
Because I just woke up now. It's okay, babe. Yep, here now, and I'm still healing from the pain.
Close, check, close it,
What?
close it, check, close it,
What other pain?
close it, check.
What other pain will you?
No, like, I think you should continue.
Let me continue, my guy. Let me continue. I mean, damn. Okay.
W's in the chat.
If ndakwazi or that is it.
Close it, check, close it, check.
Ngiyaqala ke le. Yo should let it heal.
I guess we're gonna have to behave ourselves.
We're not gonna play the voice notes right now, but how's your day going? I'm good and having a dream.
Yeah.
But apparently what they had is extremely painful.
And for me,
It was soundless.
it
So between
was
Audience, you should debate which one
the
was
two,
it. Which one
either
was it?
someone didn't smash or someone smashed.
You know what?
You know, I think we should cut it for the day.